Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to split cells diagonally in Excel. Let's get started. Let's start with a scenario. Imagine a spreadsheet with months in rows and countries listed in columns. Our aim is to introduce two distinct headers within cell A1, separated by a diagonal line. Begin by selecting cell A1. Navigate to the Home tab. Locate the border icon and click on the drop-down arrow. Then proceed to More Borders to access the Format Sales dialog box, where the Border tab awaits your command. An alternative method involves a keyboard shortcut. Select cell A1, hold the Control key, and press 1 to swiftly open the Format Sales dialog box. Once there, manually select the Border tab for customization. Here, you can see there are different styles of borders and you can also choose the styling. So you can choose what type of border you want to apply, whether it's a thick line or thin line, and the color of the border. Opt for your preferred style. So in this case, let me go with a dark color and let me go with a thick line. Now once I've made the styling selection, I can choose what kind of border I want to apply. And you can see here in the bottom left and bottom right, you have these diagonal borders. And I want to select this border here, so I would click on it. And as soon as I do that, it inserts this border. If you want to change the style, you can do it from here. Now, once I have the border that I want, confirm the settings by clicking OK. The diagonal line should now show on cell A1. But remember, we still need to add the headers manually. Double-click on the cell to enter edit mode, type in the headers, month, then hold the Alt key and press enter to move to the next line within the same cell. Now on the new line, input the second header, region. Regrettably, the alignment might need some tweaking. Simply position your cursor before month and add a few spaces to shift it right. Hit enter and there it is. Both headers are now in the desired arrangement, with month representing row values and region depicting column values. Our setup is nearly complete. If, however, you wish to remove the diagonal line, return to the Border tab, deselect the line, click OK, and the border is gone. And there you have it, a straightforward method to diagonally split a cell within Excel. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.